Hey guys, what's up? Just want to kind of give you a quick tip on how I like to do things. Everybody does it differently. Kind of work on guide coat. So the top of the fender in this area right here was sprayed with feather fill, and so I need to block it to see if I have any highs or low spots. So there's two different ways you can really do it that I've known of. One being you can take just a regular little can of spray paint, you can lightly dust over the area, and then whenever everything's ready to sand and block, you can block away in if you have spots where the spray paint is left, that's a low spot. If you have bare metal, it's a high spot. I use Mirka dry guide coat. Had to think about that, but this stuff here, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just a little bit easier. It's not fumey like spray paint. It's kind of why I like it. It doesn't clog up your sandpaper as bad either. Just kind of shake it. These little black spots on there, and you just wipe it on there. No dust, anything like that. Like I said, it doesn't really clog up the sandpaper. So in my opinion, it is kind of the go-to when it comes to guide coat. But it lasts a while, so it's nice too, because you're not having to constantly, re-wipe it. You're not wasting material or anything like that. Cover's pretty good too, but basically all you have to do is wipe it on there like that, and you're ready to go. Versus spray paint, you spray it and you have to sit there and wait for, sandpaper or the spray paint to dry, the primer to dry. So kind of an idea, a tip. I mean, it's common knowledge, but that's just how I like to do it. So I figured I'd go ahead and show everybody how I like to do it. Again, there's a lot of different ways you can do it, but that's just one idea. The reason why I'm taping this is I want to protect the edge of this door, since the door is starting to look pretty good. I don't want to accidentally gouge the primer on that door and have myself more work to fix. So again, just another little tip kind of want to share while I was getting things ready for more progress. So anyways, thanks for checking it out. See you guys.